So today we're gonna do a foot detox. This water is golden hot, and I already squeezed some lemons in there. And I'm gonna put some apple cider vinegar, some raw ones from Dollar Tree again, and some baking soda. Let's try. Let's see. Ooh, look at this. I'm gonna soak out all the toxins in my foot. Okay. And here we go. Let's pour this in. It's about to go down. I might put some herbs in here. I don't know. See, I got my cup right here again with my hot water to drink. My boss lady cup. Yeah. So these are the ingredients: water, lemons, and baking soda, and hot water, and apple cider vinegar. You could use the other one, but if you don't got it, all that money, then you could use this. Okay. I'm about to soak my feet in it. So I basically changed and upgraded where I do it at. And I got my limoncello, limoncello, you know. Let me put my feet in my foot spa. This was a gift from one of my good friends. He is so thoughtful. So I basically just let it sit in this. You know, I put that baking soda, the lemons, the limes I added. I put the Epsom salts and apple cider vinegar, and I just roll my feet to massage it. I don't turn on the bubbles because I don't want it splashing everywhere because I have wood floors. But I just focus on this smell and this candle, and I just say some affirmations. And I speak to spirit, you know, while I'm doing this. And I just take out the toxins out of my feet and I detox. Since I'm on bed rest, I have to do it. So thanks for joining me, guys. Hey, dolls. So let's talk about letting go of things that no longer serve you. Recently, I've been having a lot of time on my hands since I've been home, waiting for somebody's arrival, right? And I've been noticing that the people that you think or grow up with that are basically like this close to you, I don't know, they show their true colors in a lot of ways, but you never see it. So I've been noticing that since I got pregnant, since this pregnancy, since I've been alone, since, you know, I've taken time out for me to actually go out and extend the olive branch and go see people and go to their house and all of this, people still find a way to try to bring you down. So I started noticing that maybe, you know, maybe I need to take a step back, because not everyone that you are friends with or you grow up with or you think, you know, they're like your best friend or your sister or your brother or whatever you call them, they're not. Because they start to show their colors. Because if nobody's gonna be there to support you at your time of need and you always there for them, that should tell you something. Like, and I'm just letting go slowly but surely, because it's hard. You know, you miss them. You know, like, it hurts. But I mean, I had a best friend growing up since I was like 11. I had two of them. And I mean, keyword is had. I was there and all she did was cuss me out, and I still stayed there, you know, taking the abuse. I guess growing up in abuse, you know, growing up in that life, you know, you think like it's cool when people do it and you just take it. But I'm not accepting that shit no more. Pardon my French, but I'm not. Like, I'm better than that, and I deserve better, you know? So I guess if, you know, this resonates with anyone, you understand what I'm saying. Like, just let them go and you'll be fine. Like, this is just a little mini talk through because I feel like I had to say it. Because some people think like they could take your power from you by, you know, talking about you and taking your money and stealing from you and, you know, being fake and phony around you and all of this crap, you know? And at the end of the day, they just holding you back. They're just stagnation. Like, they don't go nowhere. You move and they stay the same place for years. They don't care, you know, they stay in the system. They don't want to better themselves. Like, I don't have time for that. First of all, I'm not knocking anyone that's in, you know, any kind of government place or whatever. But at the end of the day, if I was there and I moved out and I'm trying to better you to do the same, I feel like, why wouldn't you want to? You understand? Like, what are you doing that's so good there? Nothing. Like, you're not doing anything. So anyway, but it just goes to show you sometimes you just grow apart. And sometimes you're friends with people because you needed them or they needed you, obviously. And they just want to, you know, grab onto your coattails and enjoy the ride while they can. And then you realize it. But this pregnancy has shown me, like, the only person I'm going to have really is my child. Like, that's the only person that's going to really have my back because she's going to be there with me 24/7. You know, she's going to be a baby, but at the end of the day, she's going to be there. Like, I could count on her. I don't have to ask her for anything. I don't have to do anything. I just have to be there. And she's happy with that, you know? When she opened her eyes, she's going to be happy just seeing me, just smelling me. I mean, sometimes you just need that. Nobody really supports no one nowadays. They just there to just play games with you. You know, that fake love people give, that internet crap. They just post pictures. They really broke. They have no money. They go nowhere. But they post all these pictures of God knows what. Like, I don't have time for that. I'm in the house and I don't have time to be lollygagging all around town. Like, for what? I'm not gaining nothing. I go to work, come home. Like, I have bills. I don't know what everybody else got, but I don't depend on nobody but myself. So, anyway, guys, I just wanted to, you know, share that with you. Get that off my chest. Like, if you're friends with someone, you fake friends, you feel like you need a friend, you don't. Because it's just dragging you down. And you don't realize it until it's, you know, it's too late and then it hurts, you know. So if you seeing that you friends with someone and you're the only friend reaching out, you're the only person caring about them, you're the only person texting them, nobody got time for that. Like, you can find other people that share your interests, that care about you. So you need to drop them. That's it. It's like dead weight. Bye. I don't have time. Sorry. But anyway, I'm sending y'all lots of light and love, right? Me and, you know, little princess. We're sending you light and love. All right. See y'all later.